The original Korcci microwavable silicone popcorn popper, BPA-free microwave popcorn popper, collapsible microwave popcorn maker bowl, dishwasher safe, various colors available, blue. Most pre-packaged microwavable popcorn has so much added artificial ingredients and sodium, but with our silicone popcorn popper, there will be no need to worry about what's going in your body. You'll be the judge of that. This microwave popcorn bowl is also a good choice as a gift for friends and family. 1P microwave silicone popper maker, black, collapsible bowl W/built-in measuring, BPA, eco-friendly, waste-free, 9.3 cups of popped popcorn, WPPOPSLCH. New and improved, we've upgraded the popper. We offer a new version in which both the bowl and lid are 100% platinum silicone. MUGOOLER microwave popcorn popper silicone popcorn maker, collapsible bowl with lid, BPA free and dishwasher safe, light blue. Instant homemade popcorn, easy to operate. Enjoy making fresh, healthy, and fluffy popcorn in 2 to 3 minutes at home. You can now have your delicious popcorn from the convenience of your home or office using only your microwave. Whatever it is, sweet or salty. Smart design. This quick popcorn making utensil is designed with a built-in heat-resistant handle that make it easy to remove from the microwave. Be very careful of the steam when taking out popcorn from the microwave. Ecolution original microwave micropop popcorn popper, borosilicate glass, 3-in-1 lid, dishwasher safe, BPA free, 1.5 quart snack size, black. Fast gourmet popcorn, choose beautiful, durable, temperature safe borosilicate glass for better popcorn popping experience. Microwave popcorn popper, replaces microwave popcorn bags, healthy air popped popcorn, no oil needed, BPA free premium European grade silicone popcorn.